Greetings everyone, Jetstrike325 here. I got some good stuff today. But first, I want to show off the stuff I got from Anime Expo, since that was 2 weeks ago. Here's the stamp rally. If you went to the Beyblade booth over at Anime Expo, you get this. If you got eight things from it, from battling, you win a prize. Basically, it's random merch from their stuff. It's very good. Plus, they give you a free tattoo to rub on your arm or hand. Pretty neat. That was one of my best things I went over there for, is this and meeting voice actors. That's all I went there for. Other than that, I got some stuff when I got home. Voila! Beyblade Boost QuadDrive Astral Spryzen. That was one of the items I got from the mail on that day when I got home. Divine Belly L, finally. And the new Gatling Dragon. Good stuff does happen. Also, I gotta announce this now. I recently got 600 subscribers. You guys are the best. I met some good fans at Anime Expo who were in the Beyblade booth, basically. Got to do some battles. I won most of the time while I was over there. I didn't do the tournaments, but I did support the people who were doing the tournaments. And to top of that off, I'm going to do a 600 subscriber video in 3 parts, starting with Astral Spryzen. The other 2 bays are going to be a part of this too. Part 2 and the final part. Let's start with the first one, Astral Spryzen. Not in stores yet, mind you, but you could get it on Amazon currently. That's how I got mine. Look at the back. Let's look at the back, shall we? We got the core, we got the blade, we got the armor. Over, we got Zero over Astral Blade, the core Spriggan, or Spryzen. Here we got the Tip Quattro. Got the high mode and low mode for each of them. And without further ado, we'll be exploring more on this as I get this open. It's been a while since I've been doing these reviews. Anime Expo was fun. I get to use Takotomi bays. For the fun portion of it though, not at the actual tournament, you have to use Hasbro ones that they use at the booth. You have your own. Like, I brought my Hasbro, Luinor. I brought Guilty Luinor over. I got Balkash, Salvage Valtric, Wrath Cobra. The ones that are not released in stores, I bought those at the Beyblade the Beyblade booth. They were impressed. Got to meet the people over there who were running the booth. Pretty fun. Alright, after emptying out the box, we got the instructions we don't need. Launcher I don't need. We got the 2 ports. Let's open this. Here we go, let's go in depth, shall we? Here's the Hasbro, here's the Takotomi. Look at these 2. Major differences, no detail near this section or no rubber at all. None of it is yet seen, it's all painted. Let's look at this, shall we? Let's take the armor off. This is supposed to be 0, but it doesn't matter in Hasbro. All that matters is the core itself. Look at that. Less detail. I'm very disappointed when it comes to the paint applications. Very missing the crown portion of it. Let's look at the code here. Pause the video view for the code. Here we go. Astral. No. There's no reversible side. They removed it. This is more disappointing than not. Hollow, and I feel disappointment. Oh my gosh, why? You did it with the other Spryzens, but why on earth? Oh yeah, World Spryzen? No, you didn't do this for the Hasbro version. You used this for every mode there is, but how is it Eleanor? It's an Illinois Beyblade. Let me. I'm getting flustered right now. Oh yeah, here's something. There's tiny tabs there indicating for right spin and left. Isn't that cool? This is with this Spryzen, it's permanently left. It's so I can't do anything about it. I can't dual spin anymore. Locked in left. Over. My goodness, it's butchered. Why? It's cut in half. It lost most of its weight. Look at this. Very disappointing. But it's kind of good. If you're, quite frankly, for tournaments though. But that's on you. Here we got Quattro. Butchered version. No, it cannot do the flippability. It can't switch the drivers. Its default is on the Unite one. But in this case, it's Fusion. I put it on default mode on the balance mode right now on the Takutomi one. So when you take the cap off, oh, you see extreme. The extreme one right here. That's still part Quattro though. Oh my gosh, this does not want to cooperate with me. Cooperate. There we go. It has decent weight. I'm just saying. Let's test it out, shall we? I'm going to do high mode. Don't get. It will be after this testing right here. I should get there. It's doing what Unite is doing. Very good. Alright, let's do the cap off. Take that cap off, put the extreme. That's attack. Ah, look at that. High mode will be in a different video though. I can't do it now, but that'll be another day. I would do a high mode versus every Hasbro one I have for the QuadDrive. So I got some victims. Or better yet, the opponents it will be facing. Let's do this lightning style. Basically, I'll be launching them. It'll be one match only. That's the catch here. So let's start with Valkyrie. I know it's dark in here, but I could look at that. I have light here and I got light here. I got light. Here we go with the stay on the launcher, Valkyrie. Stay. Let's put on the Hasbro launcher. I get delayed any further. It did well against Valkyrie. Let's move on. I'll do this one next part. But let's go with Ragnarok, shall we? Very. It did good right now. I'm sure it's going to be disappointing later on. Ragnarok won. That's good. I will be doing a few more battles before I'm going to move along for part 2 of this review. Part 2 of this review will continue with this thing and high mode. So, we got Belial here. Let's see if it can win against Spryzen here. Basically Spryzen. It depends on how you like the naming of it. Huh, it's doing good. It only lost once. Ifrit. Let's go with Ifrit, shall we? Balance on balance. It should be easy because Magma is not that good when it comes to being tight. I mean, for the slopes. And it's how it's weighted. It feels like a tie, but I could be wrong. Let's go with the lefts now. Fafnir. Here we go. It's acting like never. Okay, Spryzen won. Fantastic. Ball cash. It blew it. Simultaneous burst finish. I did not think it would do that, but that's the first. Alrighty. I'm just going to put it right here. I'll be continuing this This is going to be I'm going to continue with part 2. So, here we go. See ya, that's part 2.